The key to this trade is to just find these pockets where the stocks are overbought or oversold. You've got to see them overbought and oversold. So the key is, it's really got to be away from prices that are not sustainable. It's too high or it's too low. And it's something that's in play. People are off sides. People are off sides. There are people that are just, they're chasing in either direction. And for the moment, this is just not at the right price. And people are looking at it and they know it, but then it pushes even further. And it's so tempting to just jump in and say, this is at the wrong price. We saw that in PayPal this morning on the open. It was so tempting to be like, this is so oversold. We got to just jump in here. But that's not a trade. Same thing with AMD. This is just too steep, too fast on the open. I want to jump in. You can't jump in. That is actually how you don't make money in this trade. You wait and you wait and you wait and you watch to see. Let's take it from the long side. You watch to see how the selling is on the way down. They're selling, they're selling, they're selling. They're selling in a particular way. This is not at a sustainable price. This stock has to go back up, revert to the mean. They're selling it too hard. People are chasing it too low. These people are, it's just not at the right price. But you watch to see, I'm telling you, it's so tempting to just be like, let me get long. And you have to catch yourself in those moments and stop yourself from actually doing it. Turn that impulse into focus. And you focus on how this is going down. What is the selling pattern for how this is going down specifically? And then you watch to see that selling pattern end, dissipate. And when you see, and you as you're saying, you look for now the buyers to get in control, in my hypothetical, or the sellers to just stop what they're doing. The annoying selling, they're selling it down too much, like you wait for them to stop, for it to change, and you can see it, and you can tell me in words what the difference is. And then, from that point, it's at an unsustainable price, it's oversold, and now you notice something different on the tape. You can see it, as we say. Mm-hmm. And there's a picture that hangs on the wall at S&B Capital. It says, if you see it, swing the bat hard. And for the scalp trade, when you see the change on the tape, that's when you pounce and you get back in. But that is the key, is you've got to see it, and you've got to be patient, and you've got to not give in to that impulse. And for you can actually build filters to be able to tee up trades like this. But this is a trade with edge. I love that you're trying to trade this trade. It is definitely something that should be in your playbook. There's definitely money to be made. There's cash flow to be made in this particular trade. And you will, as you get a little bit older, be able to turn it into a longer term, more profitable trade. Absolute trade with edge right here. Hey, go ahead and click our subscribe button so you don't miss any of the videos that we're producing for you in the trading community. And please take the time to add your feedback in the comments section for what videos you'd like for us to produce next, and what you found helpful from this video. From all of us at S&B, train and trade well.